Are you terrified of losing all your Gmail data? Learn how to back up everything in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to download your Gmail data using Google Takeout. Let's get started. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Manage Your Google Account. On the left sidebar, click on Data and Privacy. Now, click on Download Your Data to begin the export process. To focus only on mail, click Deselect All to clear all services. Scroll down until you find Mail in the list. Click the checkbox next to it to select Mail for export. Click on All Mail Data Included to see your options. Here, you can choose to include all messages or specific labels. For a full backup, keep it as is. Then click OK at the top right to confirm. Click Next Step to move to Delivery Settings. Choose how you want to receive your backup. Options include download link or cloud storage. Select the export frequency, such as a one-time export. Finally, click Create Export to start the process. Now, just wait while Google prepares your backup. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days, depending on your mailbox size. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.